Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Estrella's Life in USA. Kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na. Alright guys, ngayon I'm going to unbox this toaster oven. Yes, the reason I got this one, so I don't have to use my big oven when because only 3 of us in the house. Sometimes I'm using the big oven and I have to clean the whole oven. It's kind of a pain in the neck. So ito, pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng lutuan ng pizza. You can cook pizza in it, and but the pizza doesn't come with it today, okay? Just as a picture. So I'm going to unbox my toaster oven. So alright guys, we're gonna unbox this now. Now we're gonna open it over here. Let's open it. Ta-da! Wow! Let's take it out. Pick it up, pick it up. There it is. Look. This is where it's gonna go. Oh, I think this is the tray. This one. Alright, let's see inside. Show me the tape. See the inside? That's awesome size. See that guys? That's my toaster oven. Make sure all the tape is off. The bottom. And right there. Let's see this one. I think this is the tray. See this? Alright guys, we're back. So this is the instruction when you use the toaster oven. So see, they have like a parts and features, and this one is gonna be the bottom one. See, this is like gonna be like a picking up all the mess. This is gonna be in the bottom. See, just like that. And then this one is for broiler. Whatever you cook, you just put this broiler in it. And this is for when you're toasting something or bread or pizza. You can put this over here. Let's see. Is it like this? Yeah, see that? Just like that. And then when you broil something, you just put this on the top. Like that. Really easy. See? Look. And then, let's see guys. This is, they have all the switch here. You're just gonna pick which one, whatever you're cooking. And you just pick over there. And of course, you're gonna plug it in first. Right there. So, this is my unboxing today. My toaster oven. And just remember, the pizza doesn't come with it. Okay guys, there you go. This is my toaster oven. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hi guys, Babush!